Hi everyone, it's Miss Theresa from the Ridgewood Public Library. Thank you for joining me today for Storytime. How are you doing? I hope everyone is well. Let's begin with our hello song. Clap your hands. Hello everybody, yes indeed, yes indeed, yes indeed. Hello everybody, yes indeed, yes indeed, my darling. Hooray! Did you ever have a day where you couldn't find one of your shoes or a sneaker and you were ready to go outside and you're like, oh, where's my shoe? I can't find it anywhere. I've looked under my bed, I've looked under the couch, under chairs, I've looked everywhere, but it's nowhere to be found. Well, our story today is about a mouse who finds a shoe and he is trying to find who it belongs to. And the title of it is Whose Shoe by Eve Bunting. What colors do you see in that shoe? Yellow and blue. Very good. Yes. Let's see if we can help Mouse find the owner of the shoe. And this book has lots of great rhyming in it too. There's something in that tall bamboo. Oh my goodness, it's a shoe. Finders keepers, that's not true. I'll find the owner of this shoe. Dragging it along. Tiger, I have found a shoe. Who has lost it? Was it you? It wasn't I. As you can see, that shoe would be too small for me. My feet are dainty, but I know my claws need space if they're to grow. But someone's lost it, don't you see? For him, that's a catastrophe. He might still have the other shoe and be unhappy, wouldn't you? I'll try to find him. I'll pursue it. It will be good if I can do it. Spider, I have found a shoe. I know it's way too big for you. Still, I want to be polite. I'm asking everyone in sight. I see your mother taught you well. You've got good manners, I can tell. That's what Spider says. My shoes are tiny, you are right. I always tie the laces tight. If I lost one, I'd be upset. Spider shoes are hard to get. I have 8. I take great care of all my shoes since they are rare. Spider shoes are all different colors. Mina Bird, is this your shoe? I think it might belong to you. That shoe would be too big for me as I fly from tree to tree. It might fall off on someone's head. I leave my shoes at home instead. It's very nice of you to try, but shoes are useless if you fly. Hippo, have you lost the shoe? I found it in the tall bamboo. There's one thing I find hard to take when I'm standing in my lake. I hate that mud between my toes. I'm rather fussy, I suppose. So I wear shoes. I have 4 pair, and I don't really need a spare. There's Hippo shoes. I want to thank you for inquiring. Your honesty is quite inspiring. Who's next? What do we see? Hello, I found a lonesome shoe. Someone's lost it. Was it you? I'd never wear a shoe like that. I like high heels and that one's flat. These high heels make my ankles trim. They make my legs look really slim. So thank you, but I must decline. My high heel shoes suit me just fine. Elephant loves her high-heeled shoes. Good morning to you, Kangaroo. I found this handsome, lonesome shoe. Oh, Kangaroo has shoes on already. Oh my goodness, that's my shoe. I threw it in the bamboo. I have to say I am astounded that you actually found it. It hurt my foot. That made me cross. I gave the shoe a heavy toss. Would you like to have this shoe? It's not worn out. It's still brand new. Oh, Kangaroo is offering it to Mouse. Thank you kindly, Kangaroo. That's so considerate of you. I know exactly what to do with this handsome, lonesome shoe. What do you think Mouse can do with the shoe? Who says that shoes are just for feet? I'm glad my search is now complete. The stars are shining overhead. I'm happy in my king-size bed. Oh, look. Mouse has a new bed to sleep in. And Kangaroo was nice enough to let him have it. Yay! Great job! Mouse found the owner of the shoe, and Kangaroo said, "You can keep it. That's fine with me." That's nice of him. Let's do one little poem before we leave today. It's 1, 2, buckle my shoe. That also has rhyming in it. Okay, let's give it a try. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, close the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, the big fat hen. Buck, 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 buck. Can you say that? What sound does the hen make? Buck, 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 buck. Yay! I hope you enjoyed our story about the shoe today and the mouse who found the owner. And I hope you find your shoes when you go outside today so you can play and run, or maybe jump in a puddle if it's raining outside. Have a great day, everyone. See you soon back at the library. Bye-bye.